My name is Vanessa Isabel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently doing a hair mask, okay? So don't mind me. But your girl has been in the trenches. The sickness that is in me should be studied. I don't know what happened. I think I might have cooked this flu because it's so spicy. I've been looking like what I've been through. I had so much fever. The amount of mucus coming out of me, you would not want to know. But what? We are here talking about some things that we don't talk often. Skincare and hair care products because, well, this is our environment. We can speak about whatever we want. I have a lot of things that have ended, things that I normally use daily, and I'm going to tell you the things that I am going to replace and things that are irreplaceable in my routine. So I have my order coming in today. It's March 4th. So let me walk you through it. I'm gonna remove them all from the package and then we can talk about them. I'm not picky in terms of hair care and skincare. I just want things that are science-based proved and that also are good for sensitive skin. I have really sensitive skin on my face, especially on my scalp. So these are all the products that I got. So let's talk about it. I also had tea because in our supermarket, the one close to our house, we didn't have jasmine and green tea, and this is my favorite combination of green tea. So also we needed a lot of mouthwash, and I always use mouthwash that doesn't have alcohol in it. But now let's go to products. So for March, in the beginning, we have here our Olaplex number 3. I bought this last year in September, so I think September or October. So it lasted until now, which means I can either get the Olaplex number 3 again or replace it. I chose to replace it, okay? I decided to get the K18 and got the leave-in molecular mask. I like this one. I like them both the same. I just choose to change, but I'm gonna be back to Olaplex number 3 because Bond Repair, I love them. So today I have an Olaplex number 3 mask now, so I'm not gonna use this one on my wash day. But I got the 15 ml size because this is gonna last me a really long time because you just need one pump. You massage it on your hand and then you put it. Then my Kerastase Nutris. This is the 8-hour mask, like overnight serum. I liked it. It didn't, I don't know, I don't have glorious reviews about it, but I also don't have nothing bad about it. So I've replaced this one with the acidic bonding concentrate. This is also a day and night serum. I decided to replace the Kerastase for Redkin, and let's see how it works. I chose the small size because I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I didn't know it would be this small, but I suppose it did look like some. It did look like it would be small. It has citric acid and squalane, and yes, I'm gonna be using this as a night serum before going to bed. Now I have here the Kerastase Chrome Absolute Oil. I could have gotten the refill of this, but I'm not such a fan of the scent of this oil, so that's the only thing that would make me want to replace this product. But I also I wanted to try something new. So instead of getting the original one that I got, which was the Elixir, is the yellow package, I chose to experiment this month with something new, but if I think it's not worth it, I will just get me the Elixir. But this one is almost over, so I'm gonna replace this one with the Phenotouch. This is a serum, and it's also an oil serum, so this is what I am gonna use. Both of them have heat protectant. Both of them are really good. I use oils just like at the last step of my routine, and I normally just put a little bit during the day when I am doing my hair. I always like to put a little bit of oil on my palm just to make sure that I'm not snagging and ripping my hair out of nothing. So I got this one. I normally use this one at night and during the day for styling, but now I have the possibility to try this Cadi Rose Repair, and I think it's quite good because it has rose, hibiscus, and brahmi. I normally use the Vitality one for hair oiling because it also smells really strong, but I feel like this rose, hopefully it doesn't smell so natural and it actually just smells nice and good. In terms of hair care, I think we're good. Skincare, as you know, I told you, I look like what I've been through. So I need a lot of products that are not harsh for the skin and products that are good for sensitive skin. So I got these three, and pretty much it's not a replacement to anything. It's more about supplementing my hydration. So I got the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Powder Essence, and this one will be in the bathroom because it's supposed to, I want to wear it after I come out the shower while I'm putting creams and whatnot. So this is what it looks like. It's an essence, and then I have here the COSRX 6-pack peptide skin booster, and the same thing. No, this one will go to my vanity because then I like skincare that is not too abrasive and that is not extremely strong. This Dr. Altair vitamin C, it's a replacement. It's not a replacement, it's just I needed something more because the other one I got, it's almost over, and I'm not replacing this one. This is one of my favorite vitamin C's. It doesn't break me out and my skin really loves it, and it's not too strong. So yeah, this is what I got on my latest haul, and I do think most of these products will last me around 60 days. I think some of them I believe will last longer, but this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. I'm giving you options. If you have any questions, please bring them forward, and I'll see you in my next video. Doo-doo-doo.